My name is George. I am 31 years old. I am divorced. When my marriage ended, my life collapsed. My wife took the house, she took the money, she took everything that mattered. After the divorce, I had nothing. No place, no strength, no voice. I was tired of explaining myself to people who already judged me. My older brother, Michael, was the only one who helped me. He let me live in his house. He gave me a small room and never asked for anything back. I tried to be invisible. For a man, dignity is supposed to matter more than comfort. And needing help feels like something you are judged for. I woke up early. I went to work. I came home. I stayed in my room. I saved what I could, telling myself this was temporary, just long enough to afford my own place and leave with my pride intact. Then Michael got married. Her name was Rachel. From the first day she entered the house, I felt the need to protect myself. A divorced man living with a married woman is always watched. I knew that. Rachel was polite at first. She smiled, she spoke kindly, she thanked me for small things. But her eyes stayed on me longer than they should. I avoided her. I stayed quiet. I respected every line. Outside, the weather began to change. Rain came often. The house felt darker. The walls felt closer. One rainy afternoon, the power went out. The sky was gray. The house was silent. Michael was at work. Rachel and I were alone. I stayed in my room. That night, the rain became heavy. It hit the windows like fingers. Michael came home late and went straight to sleep. He was tired. Around midnight, I woke up thirsty. I went to the kitchen quietly. The lights were low. Rain shadows moved on the walls. Rachel was there. She stood near the counter. Her hair was loose. Her face looked different, calm, too awake. "You cannot sleep?" she asked. I nodded. I kept my distance. I reached for a glass. She stepped closer. "You always run away," she said softly. I felt uneasy. "I just want peace," I said. The rain grew louder. Suddenly, she moved fast, too fast. She grabbed her dress and pulled at it. The sound of fabric tearing cut through the rain. I froze. She screamed. A sharp, painful scream. "He touched me!" she cried. "He tried to come close." I stepped back in shock. "No," I said. "Stop! I did nothing." She fell to the floor. She cried louder. She hit her arm against the table. The rain thundered. Footsteps came from the hall. Michael, he rushed into the kitchen. His face was full of fear. He saw Rachel on the floor. He saw her torn clothes. He saw me standing there. She ran to him and hid behind his chest. "He waited for you to sleep," she said. "I tried to be kind. He misunderstood." I felt my throat close. Michael looked at me. His eyes were broken. I tried to speak. I tried to explain. My words fell apart. The rain outside did not stop. Michael did not shout. He did not listen. He only said one thing. "Why?" I had no answer that could save me. That night, he asked me to leave. I packed my bag while the rain washed the world outside. Rachel watched from the hallway. Her face was calm again. Michael did not look at me. I stepped out into the rain. It soaked my clothes. It hid my tears. I stood there for a moment and understood something cruel. A man who has already fallen is easy to push again. A man without power is easy to accuse. And truth is quiet when lies are loud. I did nothing wrong, but I lost my brother. Some storms come from the sky. Some storms live inside houses.